Hi, in this video we're going to talk about adjacent angles. By the end of this video you should be able to identify what adjacent angles are and how to find missing angles without using any measuring. So let's have a look. The word adjacent means next to, so adjacent angles are those that share a common arm. Here I have an angle that has been separated into two different angles by a common arm BD. The two angles are X and Y. I don't know what those two angles are, that's why I'm using lowercase letters. But sometimes I'm going to be asked to work out what they are. Here is a right angle, it is angle ABC, and if I split it into two separate angles, it's still worth 90 degrees. It's just broken up into two different ones. These two angles are called complementary, and they add up to 90 degrees. If I know what one of the angles are, let's say it's 50 degrees, then I could be asked to find the other angle. In this case I'm calling it X. In order to work this out, I ask myself, what number plus 50 will give me 90? And I write it out as X plus 50 equals 90. Now I know that 40 plus 50 gives me 90, so my X has to be 40 degrees. This here is a straight line. It's worth 180 degrees. If I split it into two separate angles, it's still worth 180 degrees. If I know what one of the angles are, let's say 120, I might be asked to find the second angle. Here's how I work it out. I ask myself, what number will add to 120 to give me 180 degrees? And because 60 will add to 120 to give me 180 degrees, that is what Y equals. These are supplementary angles. The last type of adjacent angle are the ones called angles at a point, and they will add up to 360. Here I have three angles, 1, 2, and 3. All three of those add up to 360. If I know what two of the angles are, I might be asked to find what the third angle is, in this case Z. Here's how I work it out. I write out a sentence. I know that if I add my three angles, Z, 120 and 140, I'll get 360 because they're angles at a point, sort of like a circle. If I add my 120 and my 140 together, that'll give me 260. Still, my missing angle Z and 260 is going to give me 360 degrees. So I ask myself, what angle will add to 260 to get 360? And in this case, the answer is 100. So my missing angle Z is 100 degrees. That's the end of the video. I hope you now know how to identify what adjacent angles are and how to find missing angles without using any measuring. Good luck.